What's the meaning of crouch? Crouch. Crouch.
Crouch. Crouch. Crouch is a verb that refers to bending down with the legs close to the body, as if preparing to jump or hide. The result of crouching is a lowered center of gravity, which can provide stability and balance, make it easier to move quickly or hide from view, or indicate submission or fear. Crouching can be used in various contexts, such as sports, e.g. soccer players crouching before taking a penalty kick, combat, e.g. soldiers crouching behind cover, or animals, e.g. cats crouching to pounce on prey.